Welcome to week 7 CAD tutorial session. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create one of the assignment part hook. After you start Solid Edge, you click on New, click on GBMagick part, select Extrude command, click it, click the front plane. Now you use the command circle by center point, click, move your mouse to the center, click. The diameter of this circle is 20. You move your mouse without holding mouse button down away, and then here you enter 6 so as we can have a circle with a diameter of 12. And enter and move to the center, click. Then we can close the sketch, extrude it into third direction. That distance according to the drawing is 17. Press enter. The next is to continue extrude by click on the front line. Click on finish first and click on the front plane. This time, okay, we're going to draw a shape using the line first to the edge of this side and drag it down by enter 25 millimeter. Click, move horizontally and have this dot line align with the top part of the circle, and click and move to there. When it touched, click, right click, move to the tangent arc, click, move to the point here, click, go along this bottom part and go there and click, right click, click, and the distance of extrusion is 10 according to the drawing. Okay, that part's finished. Now we can move to make the lower part of the hook by using a new command called sweep or swept protrusion. Okay, click that one. Make sure the single pass and the cross section is selected. Click OK. Click on front plane. All right, and shape it a bit up. That's it. Then use a circle by center point. Move your mouse to align with a vertical line, and then click and drag away into 90 as the diameter of this circle. Press enter. Now we need actually set the distance between the center of the circle and here as 74. Okay, now we need to actually adjust the length of this arc by using construction lines. Go to the edge of the circle and click on the center and move away. And right click to cancel, back to the center and click and drag. Release the mouse button, drag and outside and click, right click. Right, then we use angle between to set angle between this line and this line. Work out that the angle is 25. Press return, and we can move to between this, you have to do again between this line and this line. O here, which is 45, enter. Right, so now we can use the trim command to remove the lines we don't need. Before you move away, just double check to see whether that is the right dimension. Okay, that's 45, fine. Then we can close sketch and move to the next step by click on this finish. And now we can select the plane normal to curve from the drop-down menu and click on the curve and drag away to lower end of this curve. Click. Here, we need to draw the egg shape, which is the profile of the hook body. Use one circle. Draw. Click here. The diameter is 14. Right click, cancel this one, and draw another circle on this line. Click. The diameter of this one is 10. Enter. Now we need to set the distance between these thing. Distance between that center of circle and the end point of the path, and drag away. Click and drag away. That should be 7. Okay. And do the distance again between this center and the center. You have to move to the edge of the circle so as the center signs appear. You can pick up. Otherwise, you cannot pick up the center. The distance between these two is 10. Press enter. The next is your straight line command. Click and move to the edge of circle. Click and drag down to the other edge of circle. Click when the tangent sign appear. Right click, cancel the command. Move to the other side. Click and drag down without holding mouse button down. When the online and tangent indicator appears, click, right click. Next is to trim off the lines in the middle, so as we can have a proper profile shape. So once it's done, you can click on that one. You need move to the mouse to one of these things and click. Okay, then the finish appears. Then you click on finish. You have the body of that one. Then you click on finish. The next is to do the this part between the top part and the body of the hook. To do that, we need to use sweep extrusion as well. Click that one, but this time it's a multiple paths and cross section. Select that one, select OK. We select this reference plane to draw the path. Then we select the arc. And you can drag this something like that. Click. Okay, the path is done. Then we can click either here or there. So we need to click finish and click next. Then you need to adjust the view so as you can see both sides. Then you move to this one, drop down menu, select the from item, then click on this here and click on loop. Then you move to here, you can see the orange, and we start from this point, click, and move to here, this point, click. All right, you can click preview. You'll see that part is connected. The last bit is to do the end part of the hook. So we use the same, just finish this one. We use the same command, sweep, and use a multiple as well. Click on the reference plane. Again, we need to draw a path using tangent arc command. Okay, click. These are dimensions you can set up yourself. Then you can click and finish the pass and move to the next, which is cross section. And here we need to use the line normal to curve to draw a profile here. Click and use a circle by center point. Click. And again, you can assign your own dimension here and click. All right. That is finished. Next is to select the second profile, which is this end, and click and preview and finish. Now you should have a hook model. On top of that, you need to add chamfers onto the edges, which you can refer to the PDF model to add the chamfers. That's it for this video.